Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to increase my Snapchat score. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to open up the Snapchat. Now as you can see, this is the interface of the app. Now what I'm going to do, in order to do that, I'm going to just click on my Bitmoji at the top left corner. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to my stories, click the new story right here, and just click new private story. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just add as many people as possible, and I'm gonna name the private story whatever I want. Okay, and after you finish, it will be created right away. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back and start doing a snap. Okay, start doing constant snap. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click the plus button at the top right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down till you find the multi snap, the last one. Just click on it. What you're gonna do, you're gonna just take as many Snapchat as possible, and I'm gonna just edit and send right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click send to, and I'm gonna send it to my, if I click view more, you will see right here the new private stories that you just created on your Snapchat. And just go ahead right here and just add it, or maybe if you want to add it right here, if you have different people, just go ahead and constantly send snap always to this private story. Okay, and they will be sent to their snap chat, or to their chat. And now you're gonna up your Snapchat score. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.